Hello Blast Process viewers, and a bit of a special today. I've been invited down to the Reservation. That's the headquarters of Big Chief Studios, where I've been allowed to unbox something. And they've left us alone in the big room with all their stuff behind us. And they've left me alone with this. The 8th Doctor. The long-awaited 8th Doctor figure. As you can see, he's here. It's real. Well, you see a box, and believe me, there's contents in here, but they're happy. So a bit guided tour. This is the 1/6 scale collectible posable figurine of Paul McGann, the 8th Doctor. As you see on the front cover there. Metal picked out logo. I'll show you the size, the traditional of these sort of things. They're kind of boring. Bottom bit. The back, it shows the figure and a bit of a biog, as you would expect. But you're not here for the box, you're here for the unboxing. So, without further ado, let's open it up. Tension. Hey, we're in. I'd like to point out though, there's a very nice edging on the box there. Again, picked out in the silver. So, put it over there. What we got? Right. We have the card covery thing, which no doubt acts as a backdrop. So lift this out now. Yeah, there's a backdrop. Ooh, we got a card. The 8th Doctor 1/6 scale collectible character, a replica figure. Yeah, picked out again. And your certificate of authenticity. Right, that's what you get. Out of the way. And inside, as predicted, the 8th Doctor. It's entombed in plastic at the moment, but give me a moment. Now then, those who have experienced a Big Chief before product will know that this is a 2-story box, and it should be the set it is. So the figure is held captive in the top section, whilst the lower section has the stand and bits and bobs. You're not here for the stand, are you? So, move that out of the way. Big pile of cardboard building up. There he is. Now, the clear portion usually unclips. That's 4 corners. 1, 2. Well, that was easy. Clear plastic lid. Can't help but smell figures, can you? It's that plastic smell. And there we have him. Ooh. Right, so let's go for Pro. Let's go for the main event. Complete with silica gel. And here we have your very own small Paul McGann. Oh, it's nice to hold. There's nice tailoring on that. Now, I'm not the person who can pose these things very easily. It takes me ages. But you just look nice straight out of the box. So what have we got accessory wise? Then put him down. Right, we have hands, which makes me think of doing dishes now, but that's the power of advertising. So there's a couple of sets. I took them out, and you'll want to see these, won't you? So hang on. We'll do a proper cut to these in a moment. So you've got hands, you've got his pocket watch, a TARDIS cape. Oh, what else is in here? It's like Christmas, isn't it? Ooh. And a sonic magnifying glass. Now then, there's a proper list here somewhere, because quite frankly, I want to do it properly. And you want to know exactly what's in the box. Oh, blimey. Let's put him there. Put him in there, and let's have a look what the box says. Specifications. This means I can cheat. Right, let's go through what the box tells me. Let's see what we've got here then. Right, velvet effect frock coat. Yep, definitely wear one of those. Waistcoat, vest. That's on there. Cravat. Fancy way of saying a necktie. You've got one of those as well. White high-collared wingtip shirt. Yep, that's there. Grey trousers. Socks. Let's check, folks. Yeah, we got socks. Let's see now. Gentleman's boots. Obviously he's wearing them. Interchangeable hands. Just taking them out. Display base with illuminating Gallifreyan symbol and stand. Well, that's another bit. I'm not unboxing that, to be honest. Accessories. Now, what have we got accessories wise? We have got a Sonic. Definitely one of those. Pocket watch with chain. Ooh. A bag with jelly babies. That's here somewhere. Oh, yep, bag of jelly babies. Yo-yo. Now then, the yo-yo. Yes. You know what? He's actually got string on it and everything. Bear with me a moment. That, folks, is a very tiny yo-yo with string on it. Amazing. And what else are the things you can with? TARDIS key and a chain. That's here. Ah, tiny little TARDIS key. I will show you this as well. The pocket watch. We'll do some close-up pictures. Don't worry. What else has there got? Magnifying glass. Which actually works. And the magnetic clamp, which explains what's inside that little bag here. And yes, I do recognise it now. Ta-da! Ooh, bits and pieces. But you have to say that does look like Paul McGann. Now we'll rearrange this so we get a nice shot of the bits and pieces, because I know you're dying to see it, rather than me sort of prattling about here. So let me rearrange this, and the next shot you see will be the 8th Doctor. And as promised, we have arranged the items for your edification. As you can see, the 8th Doctor has now been posed to look, well, really 8th Doctor like. You have to admire the tailoring on this, you know, the lining and the lapels and his little waistcoat thing. He looks really good. Holding his Sonic there, and also we put him on the base, which I didn't unpack before, but it's you're here for the figure, not the base, but it comes with a base. Accessory wise, we have got the magnetic clamp, the TARDIS key, the pocket watch, the magnifying glass, the yo-yo with the real string on it, and a little bonus here, it's in the box but I missed it before, and that's the beryllium chip there. And then say don't sneeze when you put that out, please, it's a tiny thing. Jelly babies, and the 3 additional sets of hands. Obviously you can put them in the order you like. It comes with 2 hands on him, and there's 3 extra sets. And of course, certificate of authenticity. Well, there you go. This is a production sample of the 8th Doctor. As you see, it's rather nice, with the correct boots. Make sure you know about that. No long shoes, he's wearing the right workman boots. And the sort of generic Gallifreyan backdrop, which you can display him against. Right, well, what I can say is great thanks to Big Chief Studios for letting us do this, and well, just letting us into the building, and mind anything else. So if you enjoyed that, I'm sure there'll be a few more videos like this along soon, and please like, share, subscribe, you know, that sort of thing everybody says. And with that, bye for now.